To me now is Mr. Alan Ocho. Thank you, sir. As each finalist is called, she will deliver a short message about her pandemic experience, and we will all be able to have a small glimpse at the personality and character of our finalists. Sino-sino kaya ang nasa top 12? Well, we are about to find out right now. Here we go. Good luck, Binibinis. In no particular order, the first finalist is our Binibini from Eastern Samar, Binibini number 19, Gabrielle Bastiano.
It has been more than a year since our Binibini dreams was postponed. I am standing here because I want to show to you that there is still hope. With a strong faith and determination, we can achieve a new, beautiful day.
The second spot in our top 12 belongs to Binibini. Three, Patricia Garcia from Manila.
COVID-19 brings us a timely message, allowing us to challenge existing systems in our country. As a public servant, I realize the importance of good governance for the protection of the lives and health of the Filipino people.
The third Binibini to share her heart with us is Binibini from Iloilo, Binibini 15, Carolina Mendoza.
I have my fair share of silent battles during this pandemic, but I stand here tonight knowing that mental illness is not a sign of weakness. Remember, you are heard and you matter.
It's your turn to step into the finals, Binibini. Binibini 27, Graciela Lehman from Oriental Mindoro. The whole world is in a kilometer zero of a new journey after this pandemic. And while we're all regaining the smiles and the praises taken away from us, as the cabin crew, I am happy and grateful to be of service to our fellow Filipinos. Take a breath because you're in the finals, Binibini! Binibini 24, Francesca Tarot of Angeles, Pampanga.
The greatest lesson that I have learned during this pandemic is to be more grateful, to appreciate the little things in life, the laughters that we share with our families and friends. Those are the things that truly matter.
Our sixth spot in the top 12 belongs to Binibini. Binibini 7, Mechi Cruz from Venezuela.
This pandemic reminded us that we are all equal and can be infected by COVID-19, regardless of our social status, age, race, religion, or gender. But with compassion, respect, and unity, together we can heal.
We are on the halfway mark, but I'll keep you hanging for just a little while as we continue the announcement of our top 12 after this short break. Stay tuned.
straight hair,